Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Happiness and Lifestyle and I'm Hema. And today I'm getting to you guys the Ulta haul. Some of the things I got and then my birthday gift that Ulta gave for the birthday month. So I'm going to share all that. So let's get on with it. So I have like 2 bags here. Actually no, I have 3 bags here. So let me show you what I got. First one, and actually lot of this stuff here I got them like for 20% off. Like when there was a 20% off coupon that I had, that's when I went and did the shopping. So I got a lot of them on 20% off, and one of them I think is from the 21 days of beauty, like long back. It's from long back. So I, for 20% off, I thought, okay, let me try this. I got this to try. I've seen a lot of these even in like TJ Maxx and stuff, but like different kind of ones. But something like this, I don't want that it should be open or something. I don't know. I'm just scared to get it in such places like Ross or TJ Maxx. So I got it at Ulta, and this is the Flawless Body Total Body Hair Remover. So this is the one that's the body one, not the face one, because I don't do the face stuff. So I got this one, and this was, how much was it? I don't remember exactly how much it was. I'm trying, I don't have the receipt here. Okay, anyway, so this was I'm going to put it in the description, but I got it on like 20% off whatever the original price was. And then the second one, some of the things I got are just accessories actually. So I got these things that were like kind of already on sale. Not this one, but the other one was. This was $10. Just some clips, hair clips. So I it's like pink and like cream color. So I got that, and then I got this hair band for, was this on sale? No, this was $8. But everything I got like with using my 20% coupon. And this actually, I didn't get it like to put it on the hair. I got it to put it like that whenever we have like parties and stuff and we do some theme kind of stuff, then it'll be so pretty, or for dance and stuff. So that's why I got that one. And then, sorry, this fell off. Then I got this one, which is like just like a band, but this like a bracelet. Actually, it's a rubber band, like you can put it on your hair or you can just put it on your hand. But this was, oh my god, it says it was $22 and then it became $5.97. I have no idea why it would be 22 for this pearl thingy, but it was $5.97. So I got it, and I also got discount over that. So that one. Sometimes in Ulta, like if you take like clearance stuff, they say like the coupon is not going to apply on it, but sometimes I've seen it does. So I don't know, I think if they realize, then they don't put it on. But if they don't, when you get in a combination with like regular items like this and they're like bringing all of it, sometimes they don't realize, and the coupon does work on it if they use it actually. So I got that also on that. And then I got this Urban Decay spray. Now I don't remember the prices, so I'm not sharing except the ones I have. I don't remember how much I got this one for. This is the mini one, I think, the smaller one. So I have one the MAC one. I have that, the mini one, small one with me. But I thought I'm going to try this by Skindinavia. I see everybody using this, so I thought, okay, let me try this. So the Urban Decay All Nighter. And this is a small one, and it was like I got it over that, I got percentage off. Then I got, oh yeah, I got this one. This one actually was in that 21 day sale or something. This is really old item. This is the Stila All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner, and and I got the one in the smoky quartz, intense smoky quartz, and these are my holy grail eyeliners, the liquid eyeliners. I love these waterproof eyeliners. I always have them in black. I've already bought probably 2 or 3 of them from Stila before, from many years. So this time I thought I'll try this brown one. So I got this one. It's like a dark brown color. And then, so these were like on sale during that 21 days of sale. So that's when I got it, but I haven't used it yet because I have my black one now. And then what else I got? Oh, I got this one. This was actually on clearance already for 10. So this is the Smashbox mini matte duo. So it has 2 of them. I have some of the Smashbox ones, and I do like them. So this has driver seat and spoiler alert. Driver seat and spoiler alert. Like really nice, like everyday kind of colors. One is that purpley mauve color, and one is like a brown orangey rusty brown color. So let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So this is the driver seat. The driver seat. Yeah, this one is the driver seat, which is more like a mauve, again mauve, like a light nude mauve color. And then this one is that little bit of purpley nude color. So I like both of them. They are like nice kind of everyday colors, and I like just that much size is like good enough. I have full size ones, but I like the formula of the Smashbox liquid lipsticks too. So I got this one. So again it was like I think $8 because I got it for 20% off. So I think that's it, guys. And then I got my birthday gift, which is this for my month or whatever. I got this birthday gift, this mascara. I have a lot of mascaras. I keep receiving mascaras in the gift again, whether it's Sephora or here. But no, Sephora has different gift this year. I will share that in another video. But this one is the Lancome mascara. What is it called? The big something. Monsieur Big something. And I got 2 of this because I had already got this. I went and I collected it already. I don't know if they don't mark it or something, because they did like give me like a receipt with it and everything, right? When you go and collect your birthday gift. But I hadn't used my $10 off gift that platinum members get, like $10 off anything you buy. And I actually bought like a Cetaphil cream for my mom, so I used the $10 off on that. And when I went at that time to use the coupon, these coupons are kind of together when you try to give them to scan on your phone. So when she scanned that, she scanned both, and then she gave me one more. So I actually got one more of this mascara. So like these are just mini. I don't know if I thought I'll keep one for the giveaway, but I hope I reach 1,000 subscribers soon. Then at least like I won't have to be keeping this for months, you know. So that's why please help me reach the 1,000 subscribers. So I'm going to add this also to that if I reach sooner. Otherwise, like I don't want to like give like an old product to you guys. So that's it for the Ulta haul. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care. And I have been uploading video after a while actually. I wasn't getting any time, so I just I'm trying to upload right now. So thank you so much for watching. If you watched the whole video, see you in my next video. Bye guys, take care.